Hello, first things first, install Node.js 18.x and not the one they tell you to use. Also, you can use chapters to select different parts of this tutorial. Here I installed the wrong one, but installation for 18.x is the same as here. Now download the latest version of TavernAI. Now you just extract the zip file, using WinRAR or 7-zip, whichever you prefer. After extraction, open the folder and double-click start.bat to start TavernAI. Ignore the transition to Anaconda since I used the wrong version of Node.js, so I had to switch over to that, or I could have reinstalled it. Regardless, for you, it should work as shown here. It should automatically open a new tab with the UI. Here you can add /edit characters with many options. In the settings, you then have to select either KoboldAI or NovelAI for the AI to work with TavernAI. We will start with KoboldAI and running it with Google Colab. Okay, using cloud computing. There are two options for Google Colab. First is using their TPUs that can handle much larger models. The second is using GPUs that can handle smaller models, which we will be using for running Pygmalion. GPUs are generally more available compared to TPUs. Let's just click the link here. Link also in description. Here in the notebook it's quite straightforward. All you have to do is select your model, and then optionally you can choose a different version of KoboldAI, United or Official. United being the dev version. Provider is just the service that provides that link you can click on to access the UI. Also, do not uncheck the use Google Drive. And make sure you're logged into Google. Now you can just start it by clicking the play icon on this box. Also, make sure your runtime type is set to GPU by clicking runtime, and then change runtime type. Connect it to your drive as it asks you to. All your KoboldAI settings, etc. will be saved there. After it's done loading, you just click the link it gives you. You can test that it works. Now, you just copy the link here and paste it into TavernAI. Paste it in where it says API URL and hit connect. There are lots of settings you can change however you want. A lot of them will have a question mark button that you can click for more information. You can check them yourself. But now I will show how you would connect your NovelAI account to use its AI with TavernAI. If you want to run KoboldAI, locally skip to 439. Change the API to NovelAI. After that, we need to get your account's API key. Log into your account and start a new story, or select an existing one, and then open the developer tools using either F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I. In the developer tools, select the network tab and generate something in your story. After that, you should find two instances of Generate Stream in the Network tab. Click one of them, and scroll down in the Headers tab to find Authorization. Bearer. Copy the following string of characters. Do not share this API key with anyone else. After copying it, paste it into the API key part and click Connect. Depending on your subscription tier, you might be able to use Crake, which is the bigger model. If you do, then just change the presets accordingly. Now you're done. We'll be moving on how to run KoboldAI locally. For running KoboldAI locally, you need to download the latest version of it here. Click Code, then download zip. After that, extract the archive preferably into your C drive. Open the extracted folder, and then select and right-click Install requirements.bat and run it as administrator. In here type 1 and hit enter. Now it will install everything while you wait. In case you run into problems when trying to download a model, you might want to try this. Afterwards, restart your computer. You can skip this to 600, find libcrypto3x64.dll and libssl3x64.dll. Inside KoboldAI, client main /miniconda3/python/library/bin. Now copy those files into miniconda3/python/dlls. Now restart your PC, and it should hopefully work. Now we can start KoboldAI by opening play.bat as administrator. It should automatically open a new tab with the UI. To load a model, click AI at the left upper corner, and then click Load a Model from its directory. In here type the Hugging Face path of your model. For us it would be Pygmalion AI /Pygmalion 6B. Click somewhere else in the box so it will show these options. GPU layers means how much of the model is loaded on your GPU, and the rest will be using your CPU and your RAM. This cache is similar but way slower. Now you just click load and it will start downloading and loading the model, which will take some time. You can test that it works here. Now you just copy the URL of this page and paste it in the API URL part in the settings of TavernAI, and make sure the API is switched to KoboldAI. Also, you might want to scroll down in the settings and reduce the amount of tokens generated so it will take less time to generate them. My capture software kept crashing when using this for some reason, so this is all you get to see. But yeah, that should cover everything about KoboldAI and TavernAI. Have fun!